pagkain. Kaya pinuputo ni Dodong para sa kanila eh. Give those to them. Where are they now? So we have electricity here.
Huh?
Is it on? I bring the... And what is it in here? Water?
Hier is het er af.
Ah, okay, they have water here. Come here. Come. Tatlo lang sila dito. Mga lalaki ito na inalis doon sa kulungan para hindi mag-produce ng more anak. Si Dodong yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng ano, ng pagkain. Yan. There. Oh, look at them. Naantay talaga nila. Ayan, excited. Nakakatuwa lang. May tubig sila doon. Halos isang buwan na sila dito eh. Ito yung mga kinainan nila. Yan. Naubos na sa loob. Gustong gusto rin yung Dodong. The wools are thick now, Dong. This has been shaved, Dong, right? In the autumn. And now it's growing again.
Usually it's 2 times a year. So.
Daw. Ang kapal, oh.
Yeah.
You are his friend. Kakatawa. Parang aso lang.